The Academy of Language Therapy and Life Coaching, Motivation and Mindset for Leadership, Issue and Session 25. What you must know. The counterpoint to reality is understanding that things might need to change in the future. The stability of the present moment is always in question for those who are searching for a better and brighter future. You have to give up something to gain something. The question is, what are you prepared to let go of? Did you know that the world is so abundant that nothing needs to be stolen? If you are enough aware to share, then what goes around swings back. Even children understand that prejudice prevents positive progress. Recognition of the existence of lies is a rational cooperation with reality. Shadows can be cast just like fishing nets. The light has a cleansing and cleaning quality. When you come to terms with what is real, withholding the truth is as unethical as holding on to the lie. In the wilderness of life, most people are unprepared for the truth of the situation and the truth of how others view the world. The shape of your past is an ever-present awkwardness that will cause you to avoid the necessary pain that growth requires. Looking back, it's easy to focus on the errors. Yesterday is always could have, should have, would have. If only. Had I just. Forget about it. Give yourself a reason to hold on to and grow. Principles. 1. Lessons are taught by absence as much as they are taught by presence. 2. Change ought to be a conscious choice. 3. Wisdom lies in the permanence of moments. 4. Interruptions can be as necessary as they are unkind. 5. Content is the core of life and the temple of well-being. 6. Your passion is different from your purpose. Concern exists not to torture us, but to clarify the needs that need attention. We bury ourselves in moments when we can't see the future. We need to be able to envision the next wise step. Wisdom requires no consent. Every move is a move that matters. Each move must make sense in the context of the dilemma or problem. Just as in chess, the movements of others will affect what you choose to do or how you choose to operate. Sales is an operation that punctuates reality with both brutality and beauty. All business should incentivize betterment and remove the friction in the process of progress. It's a slow but effectual process that we must aim for. The ineffectual is inconsequential. The effective is efficient. The achievement of efficiency is well worthy of the label of excellence. Obsessions with greatness lead to grand adventures, while obsessions with pride lead to inevitable eventual shame. Take the right road. Remember that the sooner you start, then the further you can go. Be wise enough to be unsurprised. This is Motivation and Mindset for Leadership. If you are interested in an online lifestyle consultation, then please contact the Academy of Language Therapy and Life Coaching. Wherever you are, I wish you a fantastic day.